Hello! In this tutorial, I'll be glad to show you how simply you can switch different materials. As you see, we'll use rail color. So yeah, that's the highest level of, possibilities, I think, of the AI. Just look how good it is now. And you don't need to re-render. You don't need to create, any, changes in your render. Just simply switch the color in AI. It's very comfortable. It's very easy. We'll discuss here about material changes. As you see, we can simply prompt any changes we need. It can be materials, it can be floor materials, it can be wall materials, anything, generally anything we need. We can also replace some objects. Here we'll have example how to replace some table. As always, you see that the details are very high and anything's changing. Just look that even the color, the light's changing slightly to the blue and green, and you see that now it's also giving you this realistic color. So AI is very good, and in the tutorial I'll show you how you can also switch materials, how you can also switch those styles to put on the walls. You can also put some reference image, what do you want to put to your render, and replace the sofa, for example, or materials from the current reference file. And yeah, that's very simple, that's very interesting. And remember that this file will be attached under the tutorial. It's completely free. Download VizMaker and try it for free, of course. And I strongly recommend you to try those AI tools. It will help you a lot, and it will make your workflow much more easier and faster. So as always, this part of the tutorial is already made by our teammate Adriana, and on the left side I'll create exactly the same to show you that results are consistent and possible to replicate in a few seconds. As you see, I'm selecting a file with the right mouse click and selecting load. You can also drag and drop any images you wish, and let's change the color of the walls. So I'll use this prompt and I'll try to explain you. So we are selecting our image, we are selecting our prompt, we are selecting here in the menu image editor. I'll select NanoBanana Pro in the engines. You can select any engine you wish, but NanoBanana Pro is good. Resolution 2K, aspect ratio original, so your original aspect ratio will be saved. And let's check the information. Change the wall color to RAL. Here you can put exactly the number you wish. You can also, type the color, but the RAL is very good. It's exactly, if you're interior design, you know what I'm talking about. Ensure accurate color matching, consistent lighting, realistic material transitions, and seamless integration with existing scene. And simply clicking make. That's very simple. We can also try to change the gamma to the opposite side and try to, make a few tests. As you see, you're rendering in the cloud, so no worries about the speed. Like, everything is rendered outside your computer, so you don't need strong PC. You need just a few minutes for magic, few seconds for magic. And while we are waiting, let's prompt some more interesting prompts, some more detailed information. In this prompt, I'll use information that I want to replace the floor, change the floor to the dark marble slabs, remove the carpet. Yeah, you can put also information about the size, scale, direction, but like this general description is okay. So I'm simply hitting make, and I'll also remove the carpet as well. So we will see how it will go. And also we can create something like here we created. So as well, I'm selecting my source image. I'm selecting here the prompt window. I'm clicking Ctrl V simple, or just prompting, manually. And let's check the information what we have here. Replace the table with a glass round coffee table. That's all. Maybe a color of a glass, of a red glass. So yeah, you can add as many details as you wish, and it will give you better and better details. As you see, RAL color understands you exactly the same, exactly like those RAL colors are exactly correct, exactly, Google NanoBanana understands you very good, and it was our primary color. It's very good, like nothing to add. You have very good changes. As you see, AI also understands that this color now reflects on the ceiling, yeah, and you have slightly red ceiling, yeah. So it's very good, and please download the file and try those prompts for free. It's very interesting and it's very useful. As you see here, we received a glass table now, a red glass table, exactly what I want. And now we have here removed carpet, we have here marble slabs, and everything's perfect. So yeah, let's check our next test. Now we'll try to replace wall materials. I will save those images. As you know, it's very easy. So you just simply select them, right mouse of the click, save media, and simply selecting where do you want to save them. And that's all. So you're simply loading any reference images you need. For example, click on load. you're selecting image 1, or you're selecting some other reference file, or you can drag and drop those images as well, but I'm using right click of the mouse load, and now I'm selecting my tiles. We'll use those tiles for some fun, for some tests, but I want to show you how fast and easy it is. So we'll use this prompt. I'm simply hitting Ctrl C to copy paste this, and we'll now discuss it. I'm selecting my source image. Here you'll have a new node. To this node, you need to connect your reference of the material. And now simply just let's read and let's check our current prompt. So replace the beige material on the wall, colorful tiles, with the colorful tiles material from the second image. Match the texture, color, reflex, scale, accuracy. Ensure consistent lighting, realistic materials, transition, and seamless integration with the existing scene. Don't change the floor material. Oh, of course, it's important to inform you because it's obvious that, typically this will be a floor material, but I want to put it on a wall. So yeah, just let's check it and simply hitting make, and let's see the results. And the second test will be, we want to a little bit play around our images, and simply I'm selecting with left mouse of the click my source file. I have a new node. I'm connecting it here to your, mood board, storyboard, depending on what you need, or for some screen from internet. And now we have some extra information. What do we want to do? We want to connect our first and second image in such a specific way. Design this interior using the models from the mood board, focusing on placing them correctly in perspective to the match camera view, ensuring accurate scale properties, applying realistic shading, okay, and making the interior look natural. Cohesive and light, highly realistic. So now AI will try to replace current models, sofa to yellow sofa, try to, figure out how it can look like. It will try to replace this carpet with our current carpet, and that's all. So simply clicking make, and you will see that your mood board can be replaced with a current image in a few seconds. And while we are waiting, we can check the results. Very good. Very good. It's exactly the same I need. Here you can see beautiful reflections on this side of the image. You can see that tiles are put very, very good, correctly, with the beautiful gaps, with the beautiful details. Everything's perfect, perspective, matching even in the corners. Everything looks very, very good. So I'm very happy with the result. As you see here on edges, we also have beautiful details. So everything was perfectly, I have nothing to add. Let's wait a second to see our last but not least result, because I know how important it is for interior designers to replace the models. And yeah, let's check. As you see here, we have quite interesting results. We have exactly the same sofa with pillows. We have a new lamp. We have a new carpet. Put it on our old carpet, so it's a bad idea. You should definitely prompt negatively that you should want to remove old carpet before that. But time to time it can be, AI can give you some glitches, but the level of details is very, very good. We can compare it A to B and see, is it done as we want? Yeah, we now have this beautiful lamp in our correct place. It is here now. It's fitted perfectly. As you see, lights, everything's correct. As you see also the sofa with 3 pillows, 3 color pillows. We have them exactly here now. Everything's matching almost perfectly. Slight changes of color, but it's not a big deal. So color, position, gamma, table, even everything is on the correct place. So very, very good results. Strongly recommend. As you see here, we had similar results. So results are quite consistent and replicatable. So feel free to test it. You can also use only one model, not a big set, and you'll get a better accuracy and better results and less negative tests. So feel free to download it. VizMaker is completely free, and this file is attached under this tutorial. And hope to see you soon in the next tutorial, and goodbye.